I'm about to give you the ultimate budget-friendly glow-up guide. Yep, you heard that right. You don't need to break the bank to look and feel amazing. We're diving into skincare, hair care, and self-care, all budget-friendly. If you're ready to glow up without spending a fortune, let's jump right in. All right, let's start with the foundation of any glow-up. Your skin. Expensive products? Not necessary. You just need to know what actually works. First things first. Let's keep it simple yet super effective. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect. A gentle cleanser washes away dirt and oil without stripping your skin. A lightweight moisturizer keeps your skin hydrated and healthy. And sunscreen? Absolutely essential. If you do nothing else, these 3 steps alone can make a visible difference in your skin. Love DIYs? I've got the perfect budget-friendly face mask for you. Take some rice water, boil it until it's about 80% cooked, then blend it into a smooth paste. Add 1 teaspoon of honey and a spoonful of yogurt, mix well, and apply as a nourishing mask. This hydrates, soothes, and leaves your skin looking fresh and radiant. Here's another incredible DIY mask for glowing skin. Take 2 to 3 spoons of graham flour, add 2 teaspoons of milk, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, a pinch of turmeric, and squeeze in a few drops of lemon juice. Mix well and apply it evenly to your face. Let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing off. This mask helps brighten, even out skin tone, and leave your skin feeling refreshed and smooth. And here's a game changer. Exfoliation. Dull skin? Blame the dead cells sitting on the surface. A simple sugar and honey scrub, used once or twice a week, gently buffs away dead skin, revealing a fresh, radiant glow instantly. It's easy, affordable, and your skin will thank you for it. Now, let's talk hair. You don't need expensive salon treatments to achieve soft, silky strands. In fact, you can transform your hair using simple, budget-friendly tricks with things you probably already have at home. First up, oiling. This is the ultimate secret to healthy, nourished hair. Whether it's coconut oil, castor oil, or even fresh aloe vera gel, massaging it into your scalp and letting it sit for an hour works wonders. It deeply hydrates, strengthens, and promotes hair growth, all without breaking the bank. Dealing with frizz? Here's a magic fix. Mix 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of fresh aloe vera gel, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply this smoothing mask to your hair, leave it on for 20 minutes, then wash with shampoo and conditioner. It tames frizz, adds shine, and makes your hair feel silky smooth. Struggling with stubborn frizz? Say hello to rice water. After shampooing, rinse your hair with fermented rice water. It's packed with vitamins and amino acids that strengthen your strands, reduce frizz, and add a gorgeous natural shine. Plus, it's completely free. Glowing up isn't just about your face and hair. Your body deserves some love too. And guess what? You don't need expensive body scrubs or lotions to have soft, radiant skin. First, exfoliation is key. Mix 3 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of coffee, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. You can even add a bit of body wash if you like, but skip it if you don't have any. Gently scrub this all over your body in circular motions and rinse for super soft, glowing skin. And for smelling amazing all day? Layering is the trick. Start with a good-smelling soap, follow up with a light body lotion, and finish with a budget-friendly body mist. Smelling fresh and luxurious doesn't have to cost a fortune. Also, apply a little petroleum jelly on your pulse points before spraying perfume. It helps the scent last longer. Now let's talk about the secret glow-up, self-care, and confidence. Because when you feel good, you look even better. Start small. Drink more water, sleep well, and take a few minutes daily to breathe, journal, or just be present. These little habits add up fast. And don't forget to smile. And there you have it. Which tip are you trying first? Comment below, subscribe for more, and stay glowing.